Hello guys, welcome to Tasty Appetite. Today we are going to see how to make this delicious and refreshing Semiya ice cream, or popularly known as Vermicelli Popsicles. It is a perfect snack for the hot summer made in a healthy way. The main ingredient Semiya is a great source of energy and is packed with proteins and fiber. Adding the Semiya to ice creams makes it a delicious treat. So let's see how to make this tasty dessert. I am adding 1/4 cup of vermicelli to the pan. Let's dry roast it on medium heat for few minutes. Once the Semiya turns golden in color, let's add milk. I'm adding 2 cups of full cream milk. Allow the milk to boil and keep stirring so that Semiya gets cooked well. The roasted vermicelli gets cooked real quick in the milk. Now you can see the vermicelli is cooked soft. Then I am adding 1/4 cup of fresh cream. This enhances the rich creamy texture of our ice cream. Let's add 1 tablespoon of corn flour to a small bowl. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of water and mix it to thin paste. Now let's add the corn flour mixture to the boiled milk. Give the mixture a quick stir in medium heat so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Allow the milk to boil on medium heat for another 3 to 4 minutes. Once the milk reaches thick creamy texture, let's add sugar. I am adding 1/4 cup of raw sugar. Then let's add a pinch of salt. This enhances the sweetness of our ice cream. And for flavoring, let's add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and few drops of vanilla essence. Give a quick stir and simmer the flame for few more minutes. Also, you can add powdered jaggery instead of sugar. As the mixture has become thick and creamy, let's turn off the heat. Remove the pan from the heat and let it cool down completely. We can see the mixture has turned even more thick on cooling, so let's pour the mixture into our favorite popsicle molds. Let's cover it with the aluminium wrap and slightly prick with knife to make holes in it. And cover the ice cream with lids. Let's place the ice cream in freezer and freeze for at least 8 hours or overnight. That's it, our super yummy ice creams are ready. For removing the ice cream, I am going to immerse the mold in a bowl of water for a minute. Also, you can show the mold in running tap water for a minute to remove the ice cream. Wow, our creamy and yummy Semiya ice cream is ready to enjoy. It's one of our favorite summer treat from childhood, and you can see it looks so perfect and tastes absolutely divine. As this icy treat is loaded with nutrients, it will be a best option to cool down on hot summer days. So what are you waiting for, guys? Go ahead and try these popsicles and enjoy the smiles of your kids. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a single recipe. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook to see what's latest in my kitchen. Thank you for watching. Until I meet you all with the next easy recipe, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.